In this video, I'll show you how to use LG TV without a remote. Step 1 is to use the TV's onboard buttons. Locate the buttons on the bottom or side of your LG TV. Use the power, volume and input buttons to control basic functions. You can also refer to the user manual for a full list of on-TV controls. Step 2 is to use LG TV's WebOS. If your LG TV has WebOS, use the on-screen keyboard to navigate. Access the main menu to adjust settings or select content, and use a mobile app like LG TV Plus to control the TV if WebOS is available. Step 3. Use a smartphone app. Download and install the LG TV Remote app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV, and then you can use the app to control your TV settings and content. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. I'll try to help you.